You are currently being watched and judged by birds that can recognize your face in a crowd of thousands. If you offend a single crow today, it will memorize your specific facial features, hold a grudge for decades, and recruit an army against you. Scientists tested this by wearing masks while trapping crows. Years later, those same crows, and even their offspring, who had never met the scientists, viciously attacked anyone wearing that mask. They communicate your face through a complex network of gossip. Your reputation in the local bird community is real. Since they are watching, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop the most mind-blowing fact you know in the comments. Like this video, subscribe, and drop a mind-blowing fact you know in the comments.